Welcome to Secrets Out Idaho. Each week, we let you in on the secrets of Southern Idaho and speak to the people who make it such a unique hidden gem. I'm your host, Connie Stouffer. I'm here today with Sonia Haynes with the United Way of South Central Idaho. She's going to share with us one of the 12 cool ways to give. Welcome, Sonia.
Hi, gosh, thank you. This is a great opportunity to talk about some great, cool things to give in the community. The United Way is really working on filling some gaps and working with a lot of the nonprofits that we serve. We have found that there are some areas where we can, in a giving time and giving heart, that we can be more strategic in our giving. One of them is laundry detergent.
Oh, laundry detergent.
Yes, a lot of people give hygiene products. A lot of people give other things that are needed, but sometimes you don't think about it from a price point or from a standpoint of you have ham with no burger and sugar with no, Kool-Aid. Is the laundry detergent is very, very important to families. And obviously you need it for so many different, keeping your clothes clean and keeping yourself,
feeling good about yourself, right? You can't feel good if you're in dirty clothes, right?
Yes. So laundry detergent is very expensive. It's very expensive for school pantries. It's very expensive for food pantries. And it is something that all of the families that are vulnerable and in vulnerable needs the laundry detergent. So if you're going to give, please grab an extra bottle of detergent, even at the dollar store, and make sure that you're giving that to your local pantries, local entities, Valley House, Voices Against Violence, Sleep in Heavenly Peace. All of them love those type of donations that they can give out to those families.
That's awesome. And again, another thing based on some of the other 12 cool things you can give, that you can just buy an extra one when you're at the store.
Yes.
If you have the means to just pop two into your cart and take the extra one to your food pantry or some other places in need, it's an easy way to give on a regular basis.
And even if you want to do an initiative at work and you want to say, hey, I really want to know that, the employees, we're all trying to figure out what we want to give to, just say, okay, we're going to do detergent this month, pick one of the 12 cool things to give and say, you know what? And what we found out at schools is the schools all have a school pantry, which is different from a food pantry. And they're finding that the parents are going in there and saying, can we please have some detergent? There's other things that they ask for, but they're saying, do you have any of that? That's one of the things that they will chintz on when there is the big need, because it is so expensive.
Yeah, it really is. And I love that suggestion of saying, like, this month we're gonna do laundry detergent. I think so often people around the holidays think about ways they can give or to donate, but what about in March? What are you giving in March? Are you doing a big rally to help people in need in March or in any other month of the year? People don't just need things at the holidays. They need these kind of staples in their kitchens and their pantries year round and maybe going without. So I think that's a really awesome suggestion to rally your coworkers or your family or your kids or something like that to do something good every month.
Yes. My kids have started Kids Love United, and they have a little lemonade stand. And I've been seeing them all over town. It's kind of a big fun thing for kids to do right now and popular. Definitely say, hey, go out and sell this awesome lemonade that we made and be able to, raise some dollars, and we'll go buy some detergent and donate it to the local food pantry or schools or any of the organizations that are out there that definitely need that.
Yeah. And again, it's one of those things that you don't necessarily think of, but I think for the average person who probably takes for granted having clean clothes every day, if you were wearing the same clothes you've been wearing for the last 2 weeks, you wouldn't feel very good about yourself. Yes. It might be hard for you to go out and get a job or to sit in a classroom and learn if you just don't feel good.
Yeah,
right?
You don't feel, definitely don't feel clean. And it's a part of that hygiene piece that you people notice.
Yeah, and it affects your social connections that you, or lack therereof. If people aren't going to want to be friends with you or hang out with you if you aren't clean.
Yeah, and if you have laundry detergent, you wash it in your sink. I've done it.
Yeah.
I've been where I was like, well, washing machine broke today. I'm going to wash everything in the sink and dry it. So really the detergent is the barrier when it comes. You don't even need to have a washer and dryer.
No, yeah, people can make do, and but they need
tubs.
They need something. They need something. And it's, again, one of those things that will have a big impact on someone's mental health and just feeling good every day, being able to have clean clothes.
Yep. Thank you.
Yeah. Thanks, Sonia. You can find out more about the 12 cool ways to give at unitedwayscid.org or on southernidaho.org/lifestyle. Thanks, Sonia.
Thank you so much.
Mm-hmm.